Let's set up a booking reminder WhatsApp automation in Mercuri CX. Start by heading to the Templates section in the Mercuri CX dashboard. Then select WhatsApp. Click the Create Template button in the top right corner. Now, fill in your basic details like template name, language, and category. In the body of the message, craft your message and make it personal using dynamic variables. Now, map each variable to its actual data field, such as customer name, service title, and appointment date and time. Preview your message to check how it'll look to the customer. Once satisfied, click Create to save your SMS template. Now, go to Automations and click on Create Automation. Select Booking Reminder as the automation type and WhatsApp as the channel. Then, choose the approved Booking Reminder WhatsApp template. And then click on Create Automations. Want to reduce no-shows and keep your customers informed? Set up automated booking reminders in minutes with Mercuri CX. Scan the QR to book your free demo today.